How to find TalkingWealth free trial. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find TalkingWealth free trial. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. TalkingWealth is a streaming service that offers expert knowledge and inspiring content across a variety of genres, including investing, wealth management, financial well-being, property investing, entrepreneurship, business, marketing, psychology and mindset, and much more. TalkingWealth is your on-demand financial mentor. This streaming service is packed with expert tips on saving, investing, and managing money, all presented in easy-to-digest videos and podcasts. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, it makes complex financial concepts simple and fun. Even better, you can test it with a 7-day free trial giving you access to all the valuable content risk-free. The platform is super user-friendly, so you can jump right into learning without any hassle. In short, TalkingWealth is the ultimate resource for boosting your financial savvy. With top-notch content and a hassle-free trial, it's the perfect way to get smarter about your money. So go ahead and give it a try by tapping on the trial option and start making better financial decisions today. So this is how you can find TalkingWealth free trial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.